Hello guys, I'm back.
Today we are doing drill through this ice balloon. Ice balloon. There is an ice inside. We will find out. Okay. And this is.
Wow! What a ice today we are made.
Yes.
But it is melting. We have to do some drill.
And
I want
this is-
to do.
yes. Do it. Yes. This is it. And now
We have
I am
the
going to
direct
drill
drill.
through it.
Oh boy. Let's get into it. Oh. Really fast. Wow. What a ice.
It is going to throw it. That's very big hole.
Yeah. This is making too much.
Uh-oh. See, the drill gone through this level.
Wait. I want some ice.
Yes.
Let it through in this.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Like
much.
and share this video.